So I found this donut door handle knob for Bambu printers, and the creator also had some hex decor uploaded as well, so I thought I'd give it a try. There's a couple of pieces, as you can see. One piece just goes into the slot on top where, I don't know, that's the wire slot for your extra lighting. Looks pretty nice to me. And then the other piece, it goes directly attaching to your door handle, so you can just unscrew your existing one and then screw the decor along with the handle, just like this. I think I like it. I like the outcome. I used inland PETG black filament and Sunlu orange PLA plus.